There are various methods of plant propagation. Air layering, stem cuttings are one of them. Do you want to know which one is better and has highest chances of success? Keep watching this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Gardenwise. I am Shivangi and in this video we will discuss basic methods of plant propagation. Basically, difference between air layering, grafting and stem cutting. Initially, I would like to tell you air layering and stem cuttings are methods of propagating new plant or multiplying new plant, whereas grafting is a method which is used to improve the quality of crop or plant. Via grafting, you cannot produce new plant. So, let's talk about all these in detail. Number 1. Grafting. Grafting means joining the parts of two different plants in such a way that they get attached and grow as a single plant. Now, what is the need of grafting? Usually, seed-grown plants take more time to grow and bear fruit. So, we graft them with an existing plant which has good rooting and better crop yield. In grafting, you need two plants. One is seed grown in which you want improvement and second one is a cutting of tree which will be grafted on that seed grown plant. Here is a point to remember. You cannot graft guava cutting on mango tree. You need two plants of same variety. For example, you can graft two different varieties of mango on a single mango tree, but you cannot graft a guava cutting on a mango tree. Now, here is a grafting video for you all from a plant expert.
Here, gardener uncle from nursery is showing how to graft mango cutting on a seed-grown mango plant. This grafting is known as V grafting. In this method, you have to create a V at one end of a cutting. Cutting from that tree whose fruit or flowers you like very much. This is how the V shape of cutting should look like. Now, this is a seed-grown mango plant in which I want improvement, so I am grafting a mango cutting from my favorite mango tree. You have to do this procedure very quickly and make sure all cuts are sharp. Now, mark a cut vertically at the middle of branch. Attach both of them together and cover with plastic tightly. Now, how to know that your grafting is successful? When this grafted cutting starts showing new leaves, your grafting is successful. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing a tip for successful grafting. Keep watching this video. This is a video of other type of grafting and it is known as bud grafting. Have a look and follow the procedure. Make sure all cuts are sharp and do this procedure very quickly. As I said, seed-grown plants takes more time to grow and bear fruit. When you graft a mature cutting from a tree to a seed-grown plant, it will grow faster and bear better fruiting. For a reference, seed-grown mango tree takes 10 years to bear fruit, whereas grafted mango plant take 2 to 3 years to bear fruits. He is saying that you have to mark a cut at this point to grow this grafted cutting successfully.
At last, there is a tip for a successful grafting which I will discuss at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Now, second one is air layering. Air layering is the finest way to produce new plant from a parent plant. You can propagate fruit trees, indoor plants via this method. In this method, you have to bond an area in the middle of branch by peeling the bark away and then apply some rooting hormone, cover the setup with a moss and finally cover the whole setup with plastic tightly. In 3 to 4 weeks, root will develop and you can just cut it off and plant it separately. Here is a video of air layering of hibiscus plant.
Choose a healthy branch and start peeling off the outer skin. Be very careful, do not wound the inner part. This is how branch should look like after peeling the bark. Now apply some rooting hormone at lower cut. Now cover the wound using sphagnum moss. Now cover the whole setup with plastic tightly. After 2 to 3 weeks, it starts showing root. You can just cut it off and plant it separately and your new plant is ready. You have to wrap the moss in such a way that it is completely tight.
Now last is stem cutting. It is the most common way of propagating plant. You have to just take a cutting, find node and poke it in a well-drained soil and yeah, you are ready, your new plant is ready. Here is a video of stem cutting.
To plant stem cutting, you have to find a healthy branch. Make a sharp slant cut to increase the surface area. Now find a node. Node is a point from where new leaves and roots will start showing off. Remove lower leaves before planting. Now choose a well-drained potting mix to plant your cutting. This soil mix is combination of coco peat, vermicompost and normal garden soil. Here I am watering before planting. It will stabilize the cuttings in soil. After watering, if water is drained out from drainage hole, it means your potting mix is perfect. Now start poking your cutting in soil. Make sure at least 2 to 3 nodes are in soil. Pack the cutting tightly and make sure you place this spot at bright indirect spot but not in direct sun. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you should start spotting new shoots.
Now the most asked question, which is the best? Between air layering and stem cutting, air layering is the best method. Air layering is best because in this method, cutting is attached to parent plant, so there is no lack of nutrient and high chances of getting new plant. In stem cutting, plant is detached from parent plant, there is no root, so there are chances that cutting might rot. Now, here's a tip for successful grafting. When you are done with grafting, don't forget to cover the whole setup with plastic tightly because you have to save your cutting from escaping moisture. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and share this video with your friends. If you are watching this phase first time, hello, I am Shivangi. I make videos on gardening, DIYs and decor. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Comment down below what you want to see next. See you all in next video. Until then, happy gardening. Bye-bye. You cannot graft guava cutting on mango plant. You need what you need. One is air layering. Now, meow.